Fall, also known as autumn, is one of the four seasons that we experience during the year. It comes after summer and before winter. Fall is a beautiful season with many changes in nature. One of the first things you'll notice about fall is the weather. It starts to get cooler as summer ends. The days become shorter and the nights become longer. You might need to wear a light jacket or sweater when you go outside. The leaves on the trees also change during fall. They turn into beautiful colors like red, orange, yellow, and brown. This change is called fall foliage, and many people enjoy going for walks or drives to see the colorful leaves. Fall is also the time for harvest. Farmers gather crops like apples, pumpkins, and corn. It's a busy time as they prepare for the colder months ahead. Many people visit farms or pumpkin patches to pick their own fruits and vegetables. Halloween is a fun holiday that takes place during fall. Children dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating, where they knock on doors and get candy. It's a festive time with spooky decorations and pumpkin carving. Another special day in fall is Thanksgiving. Families come together to share a meal and give thanks for what they have. Turkey, mashed potatoes, and pumpkin pie are traditional foods eaten on this day. In some places, fall brings rain and the wind blows stronger. This weather can sometimes cause leaves to fall off the trees, which is why it's called fall. Kids often like to play in piles of leaves and jump around. Overall, fall is a season of change and beauty. It's a time to enjoy nature's colors, harvest the fruits of labor, and celebrate with family and friends. Whether you're raking leaves, baking apple pies, or dressing up for Halloween, there's something special for everyone to enjoy during this wonderful season.